Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I have beef stew for you guys. So I have my beef here that I have cooked already. Yeah. And then in this I have added onion, garlic, ginger, and thyme here that I cooked with. And then here I have my onion, chopped onion, ginger, garlic, shallots, Scotch bonnet, and I have clove and peppercorn, black peppercorn here that I'm going to blend to make my stew. I have 1 tablespoon, sorry, of tomato paste. I have prawn powder and stock cube, and here you have oregano, thyme, basil, and also nutmeg and bay leaf that I'm going to do. And here I have my tomatoes here. Let's see that simmer here. I'm just going to use that for my stew. I'm going to fry my beef first before I can start my stew. So at this point our beef is ready. I'm going to take them out and start my stew. I'm just going to add the chopped onions here and fry it a bit for 2 minutes. So now I'm going to add the onion and the garlic, the Scotch bonnet, cook together for 10 minutes. Now I'm adding my tomato paste. That's 1 tablespoon of tomato paste I'm adding here. I'm adding my homemade tomatoes and as well a prawn powder, stock cube. Yeah. Try to grate them, it's not easy. And then also my thyme, oregano, and basil, and also bay leaf, and mix them together. And it smells so beautiful. Beautiful. My stock, beef stock, there. That's it. And I'm also going to add my beef in there. I'm going to leave them to cook together so it will have nice and beautiful taste. Now I'm going to add also my nutmeg, so my stew will be smelling beautiful. It's smelling beautiful already. With that, can't go wrong. Very beautiful. So we're just gonna leave it to cook. It will be ready the next 10-15 minutes. The stew is almost done, so I'm going to add these chopped onions, fresh chopped onions, and a bit of paprika in there as well. So it will give the stew a very nice taste. And then when you're having your stew, you have the bite of the onion, crispy onions in there as well. Look at this, beautiful. And I'm going to add eggs as well. I have 2 eggs here that I'm going to add. Okay. Isn't it looking beautiful? Look at this, beautiful. Yeah. That's it. The stew is almost done. Voilà. Est-ce que c'est pas joli ça? Très joli. Is it not beautiful? Look at this. You can have with anything of your choice. rice, yam, a plantain, anything nice, anything that you can eat, you know, with stew, you can eat with that. Beautiful. So this is my beef stew. I hope you'll enjoy cooking with us today. I hope to see you again. Please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Thank you for coming. Bye.